The water pump and the timing belt are two of the most critical components in a vehicle's engine. The water pump ensures proper coolant circulation throughout the engine to maintain the right operating temperature, while the timing belt is the link that establishes the timing between the pistons and the valves. Both of these components are crucial to maintaining the optimal engine performance based on the vehicle manufacturer standards. Proper maintenance of these components and following the recommended service intervals will increase the longevity of the engine, keeping the vehicle on the road longer. It's generally recommended that vehicle owners replace the water pump and timing belt at the same time. To reduce the number of comebacks and avoid duplicate labor costs, it's best to recommend to your customers a complete kit with OE factory-tested timing components from a trusted manufacturer like Gmb. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional technician, the convenient one-package kit from Gmb will save time to get the job done right the first time. Gmb timing belt kits with water pump include all the required direct OE replacement components and hardware that you need depending on the specific vehicle's engine configuration. Typical kits include water pump, timing belt tensioner, idler, hydraulic auto tensioner, and seals. Give your customer what they want with the Gmb Complete Kit Program. Like all Gmb products, every part and component in the Gmb timing belt kit with water pump is 100% factory tested to guarantee the perfect fit, form, and function to meet your expectations and the demands of your vehicle. For more than 75 years, Gmb has been the leading bearing manufacturer to the OE and automotive aftermarket industry. Gmb bearings are the heart of every water pump, tensioner, and idler, covering more than 50 million vehicles on the road today. The Gmb timing belt kit with water pump delivers OEM quality from a name that's been trusted for decades, Gmb.